A very good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Good morning. It's lovely to see you all here. Well, a special treat for you this cruise. A lady that I know you've all seen on your televisions, and she's joined us for this week. And a great pleasure to give a very warm welcome, I'm sure you will too, from Strictly Come Dancing, Natalie Lowe.
Fit Steps is a ballroom and Latin American dance program that Ian Waite and Mark Foster and myself created. Not Mark Foster, Mark can't dance either. He'll admit that, he's like, I've got 2 left feet. But the reason we did this was because of Mark. I danced with Mark on the tour, one of the Strictly Live tours, and he was originally on the show. He didn't do very well. And on the tour, he did really well, and he was just like, wow, how can I go from that to that? He said, we need to get this out to the public. I got fitter, healthier, stronger, and this is off the back of the Olympics. So Fit Steps does make you fitter. You don't have to go flat out. You can just walk it. You can give it more pace. You can do whatever you want with it. Just have lots of fun with us. Could have done that forever! Who here's never cha-cha'd before? That would have taken you 4 weeks in a normal social class to learn the proper cha-cha-cha. Basic, New York, forward and back. Well done. Cha-cha is one of the hardest things to learn, along with rumba and foxtrot and samba. When we get a samba on Strictly, it's like the dance of death. You know they've had enough of you and they want you gone. Watch out, honestly. We're like, you work 10 times harder that week, you've got the samba. Does anyone need some water? Well done! How did that feel?
Fantastic. So let's bear that in mind when you're not in your cabin. They could be dancing around the room as they speed it up, but they do a great job around the ship. Well, ladies and gentlemen, it's now my great pleasure.
Most importantly, the happiest and friendliest cruise ship in the world. Now, I've had the great pleasure of meeting quite a few of you already, whether it be around the ship today, but also at the cocktail parties. And I must say, really nice to receive so many complimentary comments about this beautiful ship, Oceana, but also, more importantly, to receive so many...
And you're laying on that Christmas carol.